Hi, Stephanie Samore. Quite some interesting news in the USA today this past weekend. Not sure if you got a chance to see it, but let's have a brief discussion about it. Title on the first article, on the front cover is How State Lawmakers Pump Up Pensions in Ways You Can't. Pensions. What a nice word to talk about. Over the past several weeks, I've been doing a lot of, concerned evaluation of people's pensions, their 401k plans. What is happening to our, retirement plans. Born with this idea that every day we have to wake up, go to work hard, build, save. And right now, during this economy downfall that's been going on the past few years, everything is just plummeting more and more down. Now we always see these little excerpts of, hey, I know that you can retire at 65, but if you wait just 5 more years till you hit 70, your Social Security will double in value. Well, that's great and everything. I remember when I was a little girl and people used to retire at 55. My grandmother retired at 55. It was okay for her to retire, and she was okay with everything that she had built up for herself. Well, now, that we've, put our ducks in a row, we've worked the way we were supposed to, we saved the way we were supposed to, now that is dying. We're losing. I've talked to my friend who has lost tens of thousands, in his 401, savings and so forth. What is he going to do? What are you going to do if you lose it all before it's time for you to retire, or you get a chance to even retire a month with it? What is going to happen? Well, also too, if you are paying attention, you see a lot more information going out about direct sales networking, and so forth. Secure your future, people. The government's not going to do it for you. What you've done, what you thought was the right plan, is obviously showing to a lot of people, I need a backup plan for my backup plan. So, what can you do without having to sell your life all over again, or sell all the extra time that you have left, to rejuvenate another source of income? Success from home, yes. Body by Vi Challenge. Body by Vi Challenge. My experience, I've been working online now for 7 years, and I've made some pretty darn good money. I'm not going to lie. It wasn't easy and so forth, but one thing that I excelled with was understanding how the internet market without having to sell my life to get it. That worked great and fantastic for me for the years, but 2010, just like many people, I saw my sales start to go. So I needed another backup plan. So what was I going to do next? I needed something that was more affordable for everyone versus the high-ticket programs I used to work. So I came across the Body by Vi Challenge. One thing that I personally liked about it was, number one, it offers a weight loss plan for people. Maybe you don't feel you need a weight loss plan, and that's okay. But just to let you know, statistic-wise, in the U.S. alone, over $80 million are spent every year on weight loss products. More than the majority of those products which don't work, or which not the average person can afford, if it's a surgery or something. But with that in hand, there's hope for everyone. I am a juvenile diabetic. I've been diabetic for many years now. Okay, I'm not going to go into that exactly. But one thing I can tell you about my juvenile diabetes is when I was a little kid, I didn't mind waking up and eating a good breakfast. Now in my older age, I don't want to wake up and eat anything. Don't mind drinking coffee. Love drinking coffee. But, coffee is not breakfast. It's not giving me any value nutrition of what a meal would do for me. So, the Body by Vi works perfect for me in the mornings, simply just because I can take my insulin, I could drink a shake, go about my day. I've got a balanced nutrition meal within that one shake and so forth, and I can eat as needed. Another feature for it, it helps me maintain my weight. So I don't have to worry about this week I gain 5 pounds, next week I'll lose 10, this week I gain 10 pounds, next week I'll lose 5. No flip-flopping, just staying at one pace, which I personally like. Made my mother get on it simply because my mom is one of these people, wakes up in the morning, she drives an hour and a half to work. She gets bombarded with a work overload for the day. Next thing you know, it's 7, 8 o'clock at night, and the woman has not eaten anything all day long, just simply because she doesn't have time. So with the shake, very quick, easy, 30, 45 seconds, boom, 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 she's done. She's got her meal. She's drinking it, doing her work, not spending a whole lot of time on her lunch or any of that, just drinking as she goes, and boom, she's getting the nutrition of a well-balanced meal. Well, of course, she liked the shake so much, and she knows that it's also a weight loss product. She did a little research for herself and said, okay, I'm going to try this 90-day challenge. Now she's not starving all day long. She has time to drink a couple shakes each day, and she gets to lose weight while she's doing it. Kudos all around the block for her. But this is not just about getting healthy, getting fit, replacing a meal or anything like that. This is about giving people an opportunity to secure their financial future. I'm a big stickler on statistics and finding out more information and what's going on and making as much money as possible. My plan, and so forth, I wanted to be a stay-at-home mom when I had my son, and I have been able to do that. With this program here and so forth, it works on a residual base. That's something I endure and something I love. Build it once, forget about it. Let it go. So I am now attacking the market for people who are busy, trying to make ends meet, and so forth, and only ending up with a mediocre income because the market's just not where you need it to be or where it used to be. Find something. Don't walk away from your market. Over time, we know things will all get better, but who can wait? Can you really wait for, change to happen? Things are, each and every year, things are looking worse and worse. What are you going to do to secure your future? Well, pay very close attention. Down there are some videos, some information. You need to take the time, if you care about your future, and see what you can do to secure it and get back to where you need it to be. Enjoy the information.